Welcome back to NDE HealthTech Academy. I'm Alexis Nde, co-founder of NDE HealthTech Solutions. In our previous lesson, we explored why DevOps matters and how it helps organizations deliver software faster, more reliably, and with better collaboration. Today, we're going to discuss one of the most important topics in DevOps culture and mindset. Many people believe DevOps is simply a collection of tools like Docker, Kubernetes, GitHub, or Jenkins. That is one of the biggest misconceptions in technology. DevOps is not a tool. DevOps is not software. DevOps is a culture. It's a way of thinking and working together. At its core, DevOps is about breaking down barriers between teams. Traditionally, developers focused on building software, while operations teams focused on maintaining systems. These teams often worked independently, leading to communication problems, delays, and finger-pointing when issues occurred. DevOps changes this completely. Instead of working separately, everyone shares responsibility for delivering reliable software. Developers, operations engineers, security professionals, quality assurance teams, and business stakeholders all collaborate from the beginning of a project. This creates trust, transparency, and shared ownership. One of the most important ideas in DevOps is shared responsibility. When software succeeds, everyone succeeds. When problems occur, the team works together to solve them instead of blaming one another. Another key principle is continuous learning. Technology changes rapidly. Successful DevOps engineers continuously improve their technical skills while learning from failures and feedback. Organizations that embrace learning innovate much faster than those that resist change. Communication is another essential part of DevOps culture. Regular meetings, shared documentation, open communication, and collaboration tools help teams stay aligned throughout the software development lifecycle. Automation also supports DevOps culture. By automating repetitive tasks, engineers spend less time performing manual work and more time solving valuable business problems. However, automation alone does not create DevOps. Without collaboration and shared responsibility, automation simply makes existing problems happen faster. Let's look at a healthcare example. Imagine a hospital launching a new telehealth platform. Developers build the application. Operations manages the cloud infrastructure. Security ensures patient information remains protected. Quality assurance verifies that appointments and video consultations function correctly. Instead of waiting until the end of the project to communicate, everyone works together from day one. As a result, the application launches successfully with fewer delays, fewer defects, and a much better experience for both patients and healthcare providers. This is DevOps culture in action. Now it's time for our signature learning segments. NDE Tech Insight. Did you know that many organizations fail at DevOps not because of technology, but because teams refuse to change the way they work? Culture is often considered the hardest part of DevOps adoption. Healthcare connection. Healthcare organizations rely heavily on teamwork between clinicians, administrators, IT professionals, and cybersecurity teams. DevOps extends this same collaborative mindset to software development, helping deliver secure and reliable healthcare applications. Career Accelerator. If an interviewer asks, "What is DevOps culture?" a strong answer is, DevOps culture is a collaborative mindset where development, operations, security, and business teams share responsibility for delivering reliable software through communication, automation, continuous learning, and continuous improvement. Knowledge check. Before moving on, ask yourself these questions. Is DevOps primarily a tool or a culture? Why is shared responsibility important? Why doesn't automation alone create DevOps? Can you explain how collaboration improves software delivery? If you can answer these questions confidently, you're ready for the next lesson. In Lesson 5, we'll explore the CALMS framework, one of the most widely recognized models for understanding DevOps. Thank you for watching. I'm Alexis Nde, and I'll see you in Lesson 5 here at NDE HealthTech Academy.